So we got the Destiny 2 cookbook now, since no one's really covering that, or I haven't seen it. We're gonna do or some recipes from it. We're gonna try out the s'mores bark. First, you're gonna want to start off by buttering your pan or oiling it with whatever you want. I just did butter. Then you laid some graham crackers down. Uh, you could honestly pick whatever you want. These are just like honey graham crackers. I did change one thing in this because I despise dark chocolate. I did milk chocolate, but it says to do dark chocolate in the actual recipe. You're just gonna pour it out. It was 18 ounces of it. The bag I did was like 20, so it was close enough for me. So yeah, you just take it, you melt in the microwave a little bit, you take it, stir it. You do that multiple times until it gets to be really smooth and melted. So once you get it all like melted and stuff, you're gonna pour it into your pan there on top of your graham crackers. At first I didn't get entirely even, but I did even it out as we go on here. So yeah, once you get the chocolate layer done, we're gonna move on to white chocolate. It says 6 ounces. I just said screw it, let's just do even amounts. So we just did even white chocolate, even dark chocolate. You do the same thing, melt it, even it out, and then once you get this even out, then once you get the white chocolate even out, you're definitely going to want to stir it together. So then you get these nice pretty swirls here. This was actually quite fun to do, to see all the swirls in the stuff. So then you get the white chocolate and dark and or slash milk chocolate combined completely together. So then when this hardens, it's like a collage almost. So we got our chocolates mixed together and everything. I crumbled up some graham crackers, and then we're gonna add it to the top of this. So then it becomes incorporated with the chocolate. So you got graham cracker on the bottom, graham cracker on the top. And then we're going to be putting down some marshmallows. I actually got these like perfectly square ones. There is a recipe in the book to make marshmallows, but I didn't feel like making marshmallows. So I got these square ones. They turned out pretty good. Actually, it made it so you could portion it perfectly because when they melted and whatnot, it was still in the form of these squares. So that was cool. So yeah, you get your marshmallows placed and everything. You get in a nice line. Then we're going to add more chocolate chips to the top. Now this one is actually milk chocolate chips. In the actual recipe, I just took smaller little chips so it'd melt on top. Yeah, I just did smaller chips so it'd melt on top. And then I didn't do this, but you can if you want. The recipe also says you could put sea salt flakes on the top. So if you wanted to be a little bit salty and sweet, you could have that. A thing I completely forgot to mention is you got to have your oven on broil right now. You can have that heating up while you're making this, okay? You put it in the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. You basically just watch it until it turns brown. Yeah, you basically just watch it until it turns brown. And then once you take it out, let it cool a little bit, then put it in your fridge for an hour so it can completely solidify. And then boom, you're done. You just cut it into pieces when it's cool, and you got s'mores bark from the Destiny 2 cookbook. I'm pretty sure Hawthorne would maybe eat this, maybe a little bit of Kate, I don't know. But yeah, thanks for watching.